What is up guys, this is your boy Mr. and I'm back with another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you an online screen recorder, and the one I'm currently using is the same one I'm going to show you that you can use, and with the microphone and everything available on it. So this the link will be provided in the description. You can go right to their website and start recording. Whenever you want to record, just go to their website, type their website, and then start the launch button. And I'm just gonna go to the website, sorry for that, and I'm just gonna go to their website. So this is the interface of the website. The recorder name is Ace Thinker. So just keep the when you there will be not will be a start recording button, sorry. There will not be a start recording button there will be a download button for that. You can download for 32 and 32-bit window as well as a 64-bit window. And then there will be there will be in KBs. I think there's just a launching pad like this. You can see here, right here. This is the launching pad, the counting one. So there's a lot of features in that. You can enable microphone, your camera, and webcams and etc. So it's a very good. I say it's great screen recorder for online, and it's only in KBs, not in MBs to download it. It's just just a launching pad in your computer, and it works online every time you download it. So you can see I'm currently using it right now, and this is the I'm using. You see it's recording right there. So you can also use it, and you can check the quality from my side. If you think it's not good, then I think you should try it. You should try it for some time. I think that's pretty good, and it's the best one I know. So that's it for today. And there are a lot of things you can do, like the color pattern things I can see, and everything you can do right there. If you want to mark something on the videos like that, and you can do this, and many other things. You can change the color, you can erase it, and write the text and things like that. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel if you want to, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching, guys.